Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Batul Mina and today I will show you how did I make this song, Bird in a Cage. Well, I made it on Lmms. Alright, let me show you. So I was making a different song actually. Then I was playing with some melodies. Then this melody that just came out. Let's listen. Okay. Then I added this arpeggio 3. I really like this sound, then I added this. And I added some slow strings. And also, I think it's it needs a little bit, so I added this. Can you hear? Okay, now let's listen with all. This part, this soft hammer part, just came really. It came to my mind after I finished the song. Then I said to myself, you know what? I have to add this to my song because it made it so beautiful. Let's listen again. Yeah, like that. Then let's listen from here. Okay, so I was making that part. Let me show you.
Tell me, did you ever feel like a bird in a cage? And it makes you.
Did you ever feel like a bird in a cage? And it makes you feel like you burn with the rage. So I thought this part is a really special and it's like, one of the best part of the music. So I said to myself, hey Batul, you need to make this really great. So I added this master synth high and a sharp synth. Let's hear. Alright, then also the drum part is also really important here. And also this. Okay, now let's hear again. Here the arpeggio one. Alright, something like that. Can you hear this sound? It really sounds great. So This part is really great for beginning the second part, the second verse to my song. So I added this part. Let's hear again. Oh, I forgot something. Let me open this. Let me open this. It was spiccato, yes. So there we go. This part, I added this violin thing later, and I think it's sounds really great. It's slowly rising. The sound is slowly rising. Let's listen again. For this part, I added some percussion. Because I love this sound, then I added a little bit these ones. It's the best part of my music, I think. So let's listen, guys. Let's listen. All right, let's listen from here or from here. Let's listen again. So this is how I made this song on Lmms. Then I edited some part in FL Studio, and it just came really well, you know. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Bye.